Up next, testing out the DJI Mic Mini. This is, I guess, version 2. ijdm starts now.
Another visitor. Stay a while. Stay forever.
All right, let's take a quick look at this thing. This is the DJI Mic Mini. This is like the second or third incarnation of it. It works directly with Bluetooth, something I think mics should have been able to do along with headphones for a while with a lot of camera gear. So I was anxious to see this, and the previous version had been released, but then they released this cheaper version, and I thought, well, this saves me from all the wires and conundrum of hooking up the wireless receiver to my phone with the adapter and everything. With this, I can connect it directly to my phone. And perfect if I'm out vlogging or I'm doing anything like that, or if I'm doing a quick video, as long as the mic sounds okay. I mean, this is what I'll mainly use for now on. So you get this nice little carrying bag with a bunch of stuff. Looks like there's a silica packet in there. Yeah, if you get hungry. No, don't eat that. Keep it away from pets too, as always. You got a USB-C charging cable. Looks like this is the mic. This is part of the little charger it slips into, and then, well, let's just get this out of the little packagings here. This thing is tiny. Yeah, it's a nice size. It comes, you can clip it on, or you can also use the magnet through your shirt there, which is very handy. Power, and then you got your Bluetooth button, and then of course your microphone is here with indicator light there, and then the little charging thing on the bottom. All right, what else we got here? Like I said, I think this is the charging unit. Oh man, this thing is tiny. Isn't this cute? It's like miniature electronics that are actually useful for something just totally of strangeness in my book, because it's just so small. Wow. I'd worry about losing the little guy there. Oh, wow. Okay. And in this bag, we got a couple little furries that I guess you just can attach them right on here somehow. Yeah, they just kind of just attach right on like that, and that's to help keep your, if you're in a windy situation, keep your wind down. There's two different types there that you can use, but we'll just keep those in the bag because we don't want to lose those. It's not windy in here, so I don't need them today. Some people prefer to have them just on all the time. I just think it looks kind of funny with a little tribble hanging out for sure. But yeah, let's go ahead and power this up. Bluetoothing it to your device is pretty easy. It's just like pairing headphones or earbuds or iPods or whatever to your phone. Same idea. You power it on, you press and hold the button, you look on your Bluetooth settings, and then it'll show up DJI mic basically, and then yeah, there you go. It's that simple. I mean, I don't feel like there's a need to show that part of it on the video because it's just that easy. So with that being said, I'm going to stop down for a minute, switch over to this mic so you can hear what it sounds like. And again, right now what I'm using is the Hollyland Series 1 mic. That basically looks like, well, I can take it out of my pocket here. It basically looks like one of these little gimmicks, and you can use this just the pack or with the cord. This does not have an option for a cord, but that's, if it sounds okay, then it sounds okay. So let's get that switched over and see what we're dealing with here. Okay, Bluetooth connected, and we are on the Hollyland mic. I'm just holding it kind of where the other mic was, making a few adjustments. It looks like it's a little bit hot in the audio. Hopefully this is coming out all right, but to give you a clear test, A, B, C, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's your audio from it. So that being said, I mean, the audio quality could be a little better in my opinion, but it does what it says, and it's something that I felt I needed at this point, just with some of the quicker videos I do. Instead of, I spend half my time rigging everything up to get the video done. Where this, I can just basically hit record and go and connect this directly to my device. That'll do it for this ijdm. I do give this product a thumbs up, and definitely would recommend it if it's something you can use for whatever types of video you shoot or whatever you're doing. We'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.